ला ला दूर कहीं चल देगी.
Alright, so we've got Sakshi getting her Mindy done. So beautiful. You're a designer. What's this? Mindy?
4-5 करोड़ लगेगी. वो तो लास्ट टाइम में जब रहेगी. वो तो जब
Hi monkey. Hi monkey. Alright, so this is Sakshi's Mindy. Wow. The design. So professional, huh? And this is the engagement
Date.
date. And show me your nails. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, nice. Design board बढ़िया. You like that, baby? Amira? Look at my darling baby. That's a beautiful outfit. Huh? Huh? And Chuti? Chuti? Hi guys. So I didn't get a chance to give you guys an introduction on what this video is going to be about, but it's Kabi's cousin's wedding tomorrow, and so today we're doing the Sangeet. Well, there's a function that they usually do the night before the wedding, so that is why I'm all ready today. Just finished doing my makeup and now I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm thinking to leave my hair down because it is cold here in India, so that's good. You going?
No. Everybody call you.
Okay. Did you want the top? This side? On this side. We'll try. Maybe 5 minutes. Let's see. Alright, my makeup is I can't even talk today. What is happening? My makeup is all done. This is what I'm wearing. It's an old suit that I've only wore about 3 times. But yeah, this is my hair, my makeup, and my suit. They're telling me to put this on. Yeah.
जो अपने आप घूम फिर ले.
हाँ जी.
चलो जहाँ इतना या और भी होगा.
The music is so loud and she's still sleeping. So we're taking a break. We're gonna have dinner and then we'll continue on. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Let's have a look. Oh, foodie. What's this? Foodie. What's that one? I don't What do you want to eat? You? Oh, you got a slot. I'm giving a photo shoot. Hey, my love. Huh? Did a toast? Shoes. Shoes. There are shoes at? Shoes? Bella. Shoes, Bella. Huh? Shoes, Bella. Oh, look at your dress. Huh? Nice dress. देखिएगा जरा बड़ा baby was here. So this is where the guy's gonna come to meet the girl. Everyone's all here waiting for the guy. Hi, baby. Get a friend. He's gonna cut the ribbon. We have the bride ready to see her groom. So the bride's gonna have a mini photo shoot. Out here. Oh no, we're gonna be taking her to meet her future husband. Trying to catch the drone. Hey guys, oh my gosh, I am so sorry. You guys are probably watching this video thinking, oh my gosh, why is she not explaining what's going on? I'm sorry, I have been so busy. I had to be around the bride all the time. But yeah, I've just come up to change my suits. So this is what I've got on. And yeah, I'm just gonna change and then I'll head back down because we have to do the fire, you know, that, I forgot what it's called, oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I will be showing you guys more of the process. So I love my makeup today. I feel like I'm an expert when it comes to makeup. I really should start doing people's makeup because this makeup is 8. Gosh, I love it. Yeah, that's enough. Good?
Yeah, let's go.
Demora sa udi.
Mimi. Oh, digi mas.
Teka. Dito amo ko boso. Baca.
हाँ बाद में मिलेंगे फोटो
Alright, we're doing the bidai now. She's gonna go to her husband's home.
बाबा भी रोवे दादी भी रोवे रोवे सारा परिवार दादा भी रोवे दादा भी रोवे रोवे सारा परिवार रोवे रे माँ का जाया वीर हरियाणा मेरा फोन में से पड़े ससुराल पंडित को नहीं आया फिलहाल खबर में ना
एकदम
चल कोई नहीं जाके जा
Bye, Sakshi. Bye.
फिर तेन क्या करेगी बाद में मैं तो जाऊँ मेरा काम छूट गया चल चल जा चल भाई ठीक है जी नमस्ते चल कोई नहीं
So sad. The saddest moment. Oh, so sad for everyone. And that is it. That is a marriage. So there you have it, guys. That is the marriage. The bride, which is from our family, is now going to her now husband's family. Yeah. So everyone's sad right now because of that. Just wanted to come and check on Amara. She's currently sleeping. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.